Hello everyone. Today we'll be continuing our installation of CharlesProxy. So we've already gone over part 1 where we installed the Charles certificate and added the certificate to the Java key store. So we are here, so we will be configuring CharlesProxy and the local atom properties. I'll be continuing using our guide as a reference. So we are here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go open up our CharlesProxy. So we navigate to Proxy, Proxy settings, have the port here as 8888. However, to be consistent with our guide, I will go ahead and set it to 8889. That looks good. All right. Click on the Windows tab. All right. Let's just make sure those settings propagated. 8889. Yep. All right. The next thing we need to do is go ahead and enable SSL proxying. So Proxy, SSL proxying settings. Okay, it's now enabled. Now what we want to do here is add any sort of root domain that we want to monitor. So let's go ahead and start with boomi.com. All right, and we'll go ahead and add google.com and one more for good luck. Amazon, AWS, Amazon.com. In case it's Amazon, AWS. All right, that looks good. And as the guide mentions, every time you want to monitor traffic to a different endpoint, you will need to go ahead and do the same thing. All right, so now that we have our proxy configured in Charles, we have to do the same thing for our local atom. So what we need to do is, you know what, I'll just put this inside and go ahead and use this as our guide. So we go to Properties, Advanced. Now what we need to do is add our proxy host property. I'll just go ahead and copy that. Let's add the next proxy port. All right, let's go ahead and save. We'll be prompted for a restart. Alternatively, you could go ahead and edit these properties in our container. So, like I said, we'll go here, be the conf, and this is the file that you would want to edit if you would choose to do it this way. Then you would have to manually restart from the platform or from services, but you could see that we have the proxy host and the proxy port. All right. Looks like our last atom restart was 423, so the changes have been applied. And that's all for this part. Thank you very much.